Since mid-September, articulated buses have been showing up on select 319 trips during the afternoon rush hour. While the capacity boost is greatly needed, internal sources suggest that there may be a maintenance backlog at the Surrey Transit Centre. Whatever the case may be, this offers a great preview for the upcoming R6 RapidBus down Scott Road to Scottsdale, Kwantlen University, and Newton Exchange. The 319 was among the strongest recovering routes since March 2020, and the route placed 5th in fall 2021 ridership in the region with over 1.1 million boardings. In comparison, routes 25 King Edward and R4 41st Avenue RapidBus registered 1.2 and 1.6 million riders respectively in fall 2021. Whether intentional or not, these articulated buses are a welcome sight on the busiest bus route in Surrey. Despite the welcome to capacity increase, there are instances where the crowds are simply too many to handle. A single wave of students changing classes at Kwantlen University sees a massive surge at the stops serving 126th Street at 72nd Avenue, often overwhelming service on the 319 and the 301 Richmond Center Express. Such was the case on one particular Tuesday, where the articulated trip was solely responsible for people attending classes starting at 7 p.m. The 319 was not the only route that saw these extra articulated buses. Other Surrey-area routes that had these strange assignments included the 321 King George Local, the 323 128th Street, the 312 112th Street on one Friday, and 503 trips out to Aldergrove, the last of which happened the most near the end of August. That will do it for this round of special appearances. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more transit-related videos every week.